All right, here goes Don't Stop Believin' by Journey. We're going to start out with this E chord. First we have the bass note, and then the rest of the E chord. So we're going to go. And then we have a little walking bass thing. So that's a big 4, and then 1 to 4 on the G string. And then when we get here, we're going to hit a B chord there. So we got E, 4, 1, 4, and then I'm going to hit the top 3, 4th fret there on the B chord. And then we're going to go 6 on the G to the 4 on the B and back. And when you hit that one, you want to hit a C sharp minor chord. So if you can get to all these, that would be bigger. 6, 6, 5, 4. So once again, we got E, 4, 1, 4 to the B chord, 6, 4, 6, and then C sharp minor, and then 4, 5 on the B to the big 7. We're going to hit an A chord there. And then we're going to hit that 4, 5 again. So. Now the second half starts out the same to the B, but here we go to the big 6, and we're going to hit this G sharp minor chord, 6, 4, 4, 4. And then we're going to go 4 on the second string. You could go a little one too if you want. This one sounds a little more subtle. We're going to go big 6 to 7 to the A chord, and one more of these 4, 5s. And then second half, big 6, okay, and that's kind of a piano intro, but you know, we could play it on this. Now he's going to come in on the guitar with this, and it keeps getting faster and faster. It's just a 5 to 4. It's up in a higher octave, but we can do it here. It's kind of easy here. 5 to 4 in the B, 6 to 4 in the G. And if you can get that barred, you can go like, you can kind of do them quicker without having to move this finger at all. And at the end, he's like, kind of like a quicker, you don't even hear the 4th note. So he kind of builds up speed, builds up his notes faster and faster, and kind of ends with hits that little G sharp there. And then we're back into that riff. Second half. Okay, so that's the intro and the verse. So let's say we just did a verse over that thing, and now we're gonna have this new part. We have a B chord to an A chord. So we have 9, 8, and 7. Do that twice. And you could kind of, we don't have the right note to like hit the pedal, the bass note, but we could have like a, if you want to add that rhythm, or you could just hit the chords. Now here we're going. That's to that E, those 9s up there. So it's 2 of each. So here we start the whole thing. It's going to be B, A twice, B to E twice, B to A twice, B to E twice, B to A twice, B to E twice, B to A twice. Now this time B to E, and then B, E, A. So we got those 3 chords at the end. So it goes B to E, and then B, E, A. Dun, dee, dun. So. Okay, and then we're back to the main thing. Now in the beginning of the song, they kind of wait on this, but later in the song, as it picks up, kind of has the electric guitar coming in more on that riff. They kind of do it. It's a little quicker to that note. So. Same thing here. Okay, so we do that. We're back to this other thing. B to A twice, B to E twice, B to A twice, B to E, B to A, B to E, B to A, and then the ending B to E and B, E, A. Okay, and then we've got a solo. It has this little quick walk up, and then it gets into its melody there. So this is a 1-2. This is kind of optional. You don't really need to play this. You could come in with that part of the solo. But this little walk up is 1, 2, 4 on the G, and then 2, 4, 5 on the B, and then you're gonna hit 4 into 5, hammer on. So it's you got the 4 to 5 to 4, 2, and then that again, and then here we're gonna go 4, 5, 4, 2, 5. So you could kind of go a little pull off there, or even hammer on pull off. 2, 5, and then 4, 5, 2, all on that second string. And then these last two notes, 4 and 2 on the G. So it's and then we're back. And then 2, 5, and then a little 7. And then we're gonna go 11 to 12. Okay, so once again on that solo, we got and then kind of this thing again, going lower. Seven and 11, 12. Okay, so one more time through that, we got Don't Stop Believin', Journey, we got the main riff, B chord, C sharp minor chord, A chord, back to the E, B, this time G sharp minor, and then A again. Like I said, we had that. Then we got your, and the end of that. Dum-dee-dum. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint, and we shall talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.